afternoon, y'all. Happy Saturday. It is Saturday afternoon. It's like 12:30. And I am just leaving Target. This is Vlogmas. I don't know what day, because I have not vlogged since like Vlogmas day 3, and I don't think I uploaded any footage from that because I don't think I did anything. And I haven't been doing anything, honestly, y'all. Between the two jobs and, you know, one job is at home, so I'm pretty much at home almost 24/7. It's just nothing going on for Vlogmas. So I'm sorry if you guys have missed me, but I am back. And I am going to try to stay more consistent with this thing. I know you guys are waiting for some updates on my weight loss, and I definitely have great updates for you guys. I am 6 pounds down in the first week. I have 3 more days before I weigh myself for week 2 and see how much I'm down. But yeah, I started at 221.6 and I am at 214.2. So yeah, yay me. I'm so excited about that. Pretty much the only thing, because of my leg, I haven't been able to work out really. So pretty much the only thing I've done is like change up my eating habits and drink water. Drink your water, girl. Yes, it works wonders. Drink your water. Although right now I am drinking Starbucks, because what's a trip to Target without Starbucks? But now I'm about to go to Walmart. I did not find anything in Target. I went in there looking for something specific, but I did not find it. So now I'm about to go to Walmart. I have to get some plug-ins for around the house, because I did clean up this morning before I left. It wasn't much to clean up, but I straightened up the kitchen, mopped the kitchen. I washed my kitchen rugs, washed my bathroom rugs, which are in the dryer now, and they're probably gonna have to be they're probably gonna be ready to be taken out when I get home. And I also put my sheets in the washer before I left, so I have to put those in the dryer so I can get my bed made. But yeah, just did some little touching up around the house. She needs a little smell good, so we're gonna go and pick those up, the Glade plug-ins. And I think that is about it for today, y'all. I am going to go ahead and try to film a sit down video to update you guys on my weight loss. I don't know if I'm gonna do that today or tomorrow, but we will see. And yeah, also while I'm in Walmart, I need to pick up more water, because since I've been drinking a gallon a day, we do go through water kind of fast. So I need to pick up more water. And I don't think I need to get groceries today. I don't think. Yeah, I had to think about that. But I don't think I need to get groceries today. I did make fajitas earlier this week, and I still have some left. I made mine with ground turkey. And I'm just going to use lettuce, the romaine lettuce, as my wraps for those. So I'm going to have that for lunch today. Well, maybe I do need to get something, because I think that's the only thing in the fridge. I did know I wanted to pick up more fruit, because we need more fruit. More lemons for my lemon water. Yeah, I think that's about it, guys. I don't know. So we'll see what this vlog will shape up to be. In case you're wondering what my Starbucks order is, this is a venti iced white mocha with sweet cream foam, sweet cream cold foam. That's a tongue twister. And caramel drizzle. And I just get mine with extra ice, because when they don't put a lot of ice in it, it's not really a ice drink. It's a hot drink to me. I got mine with extra ice. It's pretty good. It's not too sweet. I'm sure it's still full of calories though. And this is the first thing I've had all day. So I'm probably gonna flush this out with some water. So yeah, guys, I'm on my way to Walmart, and I will see you guys when I get there. Y'all, I have no idea how I ended up at the at-home store, but I'm in here. I have this arrangement. 2.8. I have this centerpiece on my dining room table that I need these candles for. I need 3-inch. Well, it said no more than 3 inches. Oh, excuse me, I'll just burp. It said no more than 3 inches, so 2.8. We're just gonna go with that. And they're $4.99, and I was just about to buy the ones at Target that were $7. I have not decorated my coffee table for Christmas or just regular decorations. So I need to get some knickknacks for that to decorate. And then I'm gonna add, I have a bunch of bottle brush trees at home. I'm just gonna add those to make it Christmassy. So I'm gonna decorate it as for normal. And just add some Christmas splashes. I needed to go down that aisle, but they haven't clued me in the middle of the aisle. This is super cute. Not for $45. We're gonna leave you right where you at. It's me. Hey y'all. Y'all, I finally made it to Walmart. That kind of smells good. But they don't have a 5-pack of that. Sheer Vanilla Embrace is always a good one. If anyone was wondering. And they don't have a 5-pack of that one either. Clean Linen is my go-to all the time. And I think that's what I'm going to get today because they don't have many selections. Let's see what this smells like. I need a 5-pack because I need to freshen up the entire house. Alright, y'all. Looks like it's going to be Clean Linen. Well, can't go wrong with this. Yeah, I've been out all day just for plug-ins, and I've gotten more than just plug-ins. Just trying to see. I didn't like that scent. Alright, that's it. I'm about to go get some vegetable oil. We're going to have hamburgers and fries tonight. We had hamburgers the other day as well, and we had meat left over, so I'm going to make hamburgers and fries, and we're going to call it a day, y'all. All right, y'all, so that is gonna be it for today. I'm just at home chilling out, making my hamburgers, and I am going to eat and get ready for the Heisman ceremony to come on. And that's just gonna be it for my night. So I probably put 2 vlogs into one, well, 2 days into this vlog, and I will see you guys on tomorrow.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn into morning dew, then you feel it rushing and lose control. You don't got the key to the lock, we in our own zone. Make yourself at home, get to know mine on the inside. Can meet at yours